Christmas from me and Jelly and Nee, who I've banished to the other room while I film. Merry Christmas if you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, I hope you're having a good Thursday. I do this video annually, and as we know, I am also Santa to myself. I do a lot of self-gifting to and from me, because why not? So I'm going to go through pretty much what I got myself for Christmas, plus Nee got me a little something, and then also there's a little something in here for one of you. Otherwise known as just another luxury haul, except it's December. Right, guys, if you're new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna love it here. So head down and subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. I also have a Substack that will be linked below. Are we ready? Where should I begin? Do you want to know what? I'm going to start with Nee. Nee likes to buy me experiences, tickets to things and all of that. Turns out there wasn't really much I wanted to experience, so he has turned to his least favourite kind of gift, a material item. Why? Because as we know, I mean, doing this is my job and everything, I just get myself what I like, really. But I was very surprised when I sent him a couple of options and he picked this one, which I actually thought was the one that he would like the least. However, he has surprised me, he keeps me on my toes. These are a pair of Saint Laurent shoes. These are new, and also apparently, there was a whole back and forth, and there were issues and blah, 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 and apparently it's the last of 2 pairs in my size in the US. So this style is called the Anita. Sorry, a mesh mint satin pump. This is very up my alley. I think they're doing it in the green, and I want to say there is a black version or like a tan, nudie, something or other. Anyway, I didn't even realize that the rest of the shoe was in satin. I like that. I tried them on. 39, I'm a 39. 39 is great. 39 and a half would have been fine too, depending on how, tight you want the sling back on you. But I don't have anything like this. You know I've got a weird thing for like mesh and juicy pieces, but I get burnt by the juicy pieces because they're PVC and they eat into my flesh, and then every time, why do I do this to myself? Well, you knew, but you thought it was cute, and here we are. So this, I feel like I will not have that experience, and she's fabulous. There's some height on her. Look at the pitch on that. Like, it's just, this is a really great shoe. It's a very interesting shoe. Unlike, a lot of what I've seen before, because, it's toes on show. It really is. Love these. He did very well, and I'm very excited to wear those. Now I just need things to warm up. Golden Goose. I know, their ready to wear is exceptional. I worked with them on some short form videos and went into store. I went into their meatpacking store. Great experience, like great vibes in the store. Random, but very much so. Like, it's really like casual, cool, there's music going, whatever. Anyway, tried on this jacket. Could not leave without said jacket. Oh my gosh, the quality, the details, the fit, everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it is this black canvas jacket, okay? And then you have, it's all over the front and halfway down the shoulders. You have all of these sequined and beaded flower details, okay? First of all, the cut of this jacket is phenomenal. Do you want to know what? I should try and put it on. You can also scooch in the sleeves. I like that. You're giving me options, okay? This very much is my vibe. It's an oversized cut. It's sort of like a bombery situation. But all of these little like appliques, I think really take things up there. What size did I get this in? I got this in a size 38. There really wasn't much between a 38 and a 40 and all of that, so keep that in mind if she tickles your fancy. But okay, do you want to know what I'm going to include? I'm going to include a video of me trying this on. Absolutely phenomenal. Very cool girl. Very just, yeah, it was just in the back of my wardrobe. I just threw it on. The collar up. It's got like a great oversized, voluminous cut to it. This is going to be great in the spring. As I've told you, and as I will not stop talking about, I'm going to Japan. Very excited about it. This is gonna thrive there, okay? This is definitely in my 2-pack list. What? It's so good. Also, I mean, generally I've been sleeping on Golden Goose's ready-to-wear offering. I really didn't know they had it like that, okay? They really do. This also that I'm wearing is Golden Goose. I was like, this is sort of like Miu Miu Prada level, except Miu Miu and Prada would charge you, you know, sodding 6 to 8K for it, and this is not that. But like, what? The details, she's cool, she's effortless, she's the kind of girl that walks down the street and you're like, I want to know everything about you. Somebody told me that this was my worst kept secret on this channel. Listen, if you're a seasoned subscriber, if you've been watching my videos at the very least for a month, you know how I feel about this Fendi collection. And I'm not gonna lie, I didn't make it easy for myself. I saw this bag, loved the bag, fell in love with said bag, okay? Was like, yes, definitely, that's gonna be a Christmas present to myself, wonderful. Then there was like this crazy Birkin auction for $1, and I put my limit in and I was like, okay, actually, I'm going to, if I get that Birkin, then I'm not gonna get the bag, right? Because we can't have everything. Did the auction, lost the auction, and then went straight to the Fendi website to add to cart, sold out. Sorry? Yesterday, you still allowed me to add to cart, and in 24 hours, to punish me, you did this. Anyway, I got in touch with a Fendi SA in New York, and she was like, we're gonna find one for you. And they managed to find one again, much like the shoes. This has done particularly well. It's sold out everywhere, blah, blah, blah. They managed to get me one. Shout out to Fendi in Soho for sorting me out. You know how I feel about a Fendi baguette, okay? It's one of the best designer bags ever created. I will die on that hill. I saw this collection, and it's been a long time since I've seen a new Fendi baguette, not like a vintage one, and been like, oh, what? Unlike anything I've ever seen before. One of one, created out of the rare creativity that Silvia Venturini Fendi has. What? Nobody else could have ever thought of that, okay? And then I saw this and I was like, you devils. This whole collection is based on butterflies, which is why everything looks very sort of like mismatched and like this menagerie of patterns. You can see all of the different patterns, polka dots sort of things. You've got this golden moment, you have blue, you have this, again, this sort of painted, spotted leather going on there that matches the top handle and also matches the crossbody strap. So, let's take that off. Are we ready? Are we ready for a moment of satisfaction? That really wasn't as satisfying as I'd hoped. Beautiful, gorgeous. They did do a sister to this that was in more subtle colours. That one is not sold out, which, I don't know, as nice as it is, I think it tells us everything. It was like, when you have this, okay, suede interior, look at that glorious blue, aqua blue lining, that satin lining there, and then you have the crossbody strap. Come on, Carrie Bradshaw, you knew what you were sodding, traipsing around the city with, okay? Because this is everything. And I have a small budding collection of baguettes that she just fits perfectly into, because this is also the type of bag that, yes, she's razzle dazzle, she's over the top, she's an evening moment, you're going out for dinner with the girls, whatever, okay? It's your birthday, put it on your arm. But I also think that this can be really easily just used as a little zing to a casual look. Whether you handhold, whether you shoulder, whether you ding, 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 crossbody, you've got all of the options. Guess what? Take them all off and choose a clutch. What? Versatility is how I feel about this bag. Anyway, it's such a cool variation. From the moment I saw her, yeah, there was that little moment there that I went off piste. That's my fault. But we found our way back, and that is what matters. Love. She's so good. And I know some of you are twinning with me. So twinning, let me know if we're twinning in the comments. Okay, well, my last gift, but not the last one in this. Greg Yuna. If you don't know who Greg Yuna is, did that? Okay, both of it had the name. I bought my first piece from the brand last year, which was my tiny little cross, actually, that was in my, what I got for Christmas 2024. Since then, I can't be kept away from the shop. Greg himself is wonderful. He is a celebrity jeweler. He does a lot of work for like very cool rappers and athletes and whatnot. Okay, it's very my vibe. Anyway, I was in there minding my own business, looking through the things. Very nice, very nice. When it comes to rings, I'm decently set up. Okay, most fingers are accounted for and I like what I've got going on here. But I have sort of neglected my bracelet game for a while. So this year I was like, okay, do you want to know what? I think I would like to add a bracelet to the collection. 2 months ago, was it? Yeah, 2 months ago, I was having a look in the shop and I saw this and I've never seen a piece like this. I love a classic tennis bracelet. Yes, of course, if somebody, I would love one. If you're going to offer me one, I'd gladly accept. You know, I think that there's very little differentiation in terms of a tennis bracelet. You can get one from a local jeweler, you can go to Tiffany and get one, and they're gonna look the same. So I like pieces that have a bit of a design difference. And I saw this. Oh, okay, hopefully this is gonna work. I hope you can see how beautiful she is. This is a pink sapphire bracelet. Aha, okay, so the setting is like this incredible, it's almost like a half bezel setting, all in rose gold. So the pink sapphires really pop. I mean, it's so different. Do you see how like, I love how smooth that setting is, okay? It almost like, it moves like a snake, and then you have these glorious pink, almost like lilac-y sapphires. So we have my lavender ceramic, like chain bracelet from Shea Jewelry, my collaboration, and this just, it looks like they're meant to be together. I think it's such a cool addition to my stack. I love the fact that this is all baguette cut. It's a very unexpected piece, which you know I love. And it's just, could not stop thinking about it, basically, is the long and short. And when we had it sort of sized to my wrist, we got rid of 3 pink sapphires, so now I need to decide what I want to do with those. I think I'm going to make an ear cuff. I'm going to do like a custom ear cuff. And obviously a very different version of a tennis bracelet, but it's just so cool. I'm also trying to get more into coloured gemstones, coloured diamonds, things like that. So this was just perfect addition. Like that, what? Yes. I don't have any words. I've been thinking about her since I saw her and was like, great, well, now I have to add her to my wrist. That's all of my gifts, but I wanted to get something to say thank you for all of your support this year, for watching my videos, whether you're a silent watcher and you just enjoy everything, whether you like and comment or whatever. It really, really means the world. You know, I've been doing this for, like, I've been on YouTube for like 8 years or something, like not consistently, but there's a lot of stuff on there. So thank you for those of you who have, you know, seasoned subscribers and you've been with me for so long. Thank you for those of you that like just found out that I existed recently. So I wanted to get one of you a little something. So we're going to do a giveaway. I don't want to like mess up the things too much, but I couldn't get the exact nylon, you know, my East-West lawn coloured Prada nylon bag. I couldn't find that exact one, but I did discover that they basically made a semi-TBE version of her. So I would love to give this to one of you. This giveaway is going to be open internationally. No matter where you are, I'll sort it out. All you need to do to enter, it's so cute. It's a fabulous little shoulder moment. And it's in that same green. All you have to do is write a comment below, okay? You can write Merry Christmas, you can write Happy Holidays, whatever, okay? If there's a comment below, you'll be entered. Bonus points if you're also following me on Instagram, but I know some of you don't have Instagram, so don't worry about that. So yes, I will basically have this open until the 10th of January. I'm off to the UK soon, and then I'm back on the 10th, so then I can send this out to somebody. There we go, I've wrapped I've wrapped her back up nicely. So go ahead, enter all of that. Good luck. And guys, thank you so much for being here. I'm going to take off now until I think the 2nd of January, okay? And we'll be back to our regularly scheduled programming and everything. But you know, I'm always appreciative of your being here. Not to boast or anything, I do have the best community on YouTube. Anyway, I hope that for the rest of the holiday season, however you're celebrating, whether you are celebrating, that it is happy, safe, filled with joy and laughter, and you know, whether you're even celebrating alone, I hope that you know, have a great time, or whether, you know, it's a big thing with a lot of people. Angelica and I, Merry Christmas from us and my fighting cat. I'm going to leave another link to something else that you could watch over here if you're missing my face on your screen. Otherwise, in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I will see you on the 2nd of January. Mwah. Bye guys.